research is also a very important thing that will drive traffic on a YouTube channel, on your YouTube videos. Keywords are the words which are actually going to bring traffic on your YouTube videos. Now, how come? Keywords are the words that will help your video to rank at the top when anyone finds for such words, when anyone searches for those words. Now, keywords should be something that you have to think what are the audience, from the audience point of view. What are the audience going to think and what are they going to search when they want such content? You're going to think on this and then you're going to list down some keywords which will help you to bring traffic to your YouTube videos and your YouTube channel. Firstly, your keyword should be relatable. Related keywords. You're just not going to put any keywords that have high ranking. No. The keywords which that topic, the topic which you're covering in your video, that keyword should be only added for that video. When it comes to video keywords, it should be something more specific. When it comes to channel keywords, it is something more general than your video keywords. Video keywords means what exactly you're talking in that video, what exactly you're covering, all the content you're covering in that video, only in that video. But when it comes to channel keywords, it is something that you're covering in your entire channel. It is a little general word. It is not much specific when it comes to video keywords. Video keywords are something more specific, and when it comes to channel keywords, it is something general, all about all the topics that you're going to cover in your entire channel. A channel is something, you're going to create a channel on a specific topic, maybe online courses, maybe some, you're going to have some videos for cooking, maybe some dancing videos. So you're going to make videos on your niche. So when it comes to channel keywords, you have to think on a broader mindset. But when it comes to video keywords, it is something very much specific. The keywords that you're going to cover in your topic, okay, that are video keywords. The keywords that are related. Then the keywords that are going to drive traffic to your YouTube video. Now, how to find out that? You have to find that which are the keywords that have more number of searches. If you install, okay, keywords everywhere, you have to install for Chrome, okay. Just search out on Google keywords everywhere and install that. When you're going to search anything, you're going to get the suggestion at the right side of your screen. So you'll get the suggestions also. Means this keyword, the number of searches for that specific keywords and some related keywords, the word you have written, some specific keywords would be shown and the searches for that keyword will also be shown. So you can use keywords everywhere to understand the searches for that specific keyword. Now, you should also take YouTube suggestions. Now, what do I mean by YouTube suggestions? YouTube suggestions means when you're searching anything on YouTube, okay? When you're typing in the bar, search bar, you will get below the search bar, you're going to get some suggestions, okay? That suggestion also you should note it down. Write all those suggestions on on an Excel sheet maybe, or in a notepad, or in your own book. You have to note them out all because you can't remember all those words. So a better tip for you is either note it down somewhere, either write it down in your book, or you can just copy that and paste in your notepad, your Excel sheet, or anywhere where you want. But keep a note of that words. Then you can see the searches for that keywords with the help of Keyword Everywhere website, okay, with that app. Now, which type of keywords you should use. Now we have already understand that keywords should be related to my video, more specific to my video, the keywords that drive traffic, the keywords that people are actually searching for. I can use my YouTube suggestions for that thing. For example, I am finding digital marketing course, okay? Now when I search digital marketing, I'm going to get different suggestions from YouTube, digital marketing course and other different things. Now all the things which I'm going to get, I have to note it down. I'll note it down. I can use that keywords. The keywords which I am going to use in my video, I'm going to cover in my video, I'll use that keywords. Now, you should use long tail keywords also. Now, what do you mean by long tail keywords? Digital marketing is not a long tail keyword. Digital marketing entire course is a long tail keyword. It is more specific, okay? So, when it comes to more specific keywords, it comes to long tail keywords, okay? So, try to use long tail keywords also. When it comes to video keywords, then you should also use long tail keywords, okay? So, try to use long tail keywords that cover much idea about your video than short tail keywords. So try to use long tail keywords that will give a good mindset for the audience that what exactly you are going to cover in your topic. Then take YouTube suggestion, drive the traffic through your keywords, understand which keywords are going to drive traffic to your YouTube videos, keywords that are related, the keywords that you're going to cover in your content means keywords that you're going to cover up in your video. So these are all the tips that are going to help you to drive traffic with the help of keywords. You have to make a research on keywords. Which keywords are going to help me to drive traffic?
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.